Hello everyone, my name is Eva Reinerova. I work for Alocian and I am based in Dubai. I do work as the pricing analyst and also operation analyst, which involves a lot of budgeting, forecasting and working with the numbers, with the modeling. So when you like to take that practical examples to the work, it's not only about the models itself and talking about the book modeling, but it's more about how you actually take that modeling in which you learn in the books and bring to the practical environment, which is normally the company where you work. So the bringing the financial modeling and working it in Excel combine very nicely that two areas. I appreciate very much the trainer who is taking us over the course of the street statement modeling and valuation, because he is able to take the financial statement of the real life companies, bring it to the Excel and value the company based on the existing facts in the market, combining this information, showing the forecasting, bringing the logic, how you will end up with the valuation. It's very nice to see, nice to bring your own thought flows, how you would do it, and compare yourself with how the teacher would do it based on his experience. We learn how to bring the theoretical knowledge into the modeling. Is important, but also it is very nice to see how he used the Excel. The reason why I came to Kaplan Genesis was that I had very good experience before with the CFA and CMA course. I like the quality of the faculty and also the fact that they are very experienced in the regular work in the field. Kaplan Genesis has the teachers who are understanding and who are very patient to explain, and I recommend to everybody. Thank you.